Hello student, my name is Naresh. Welcome to my education classes channel. आज आम क्लास 10th विलेज सॉन्ग पाठर क्वेश्चन आंसर विषय डिस्कस करिबा। नंबर 1, the poem appears to be a conversation between two persons who are they. कवितार दुई जनक मध्य वार्तालाप परि देखा जाए से माने के the poem village song depicts a conversation between two persons. village song कवितार दुई जन मध्य वार्तालाप परि चित्रित होइछि। They are a mother and her daughter. से माने जने माँ एवं तांको झियो। Number 2, where does honey child go? स्नेहर झियोटी कुआडे जाए। The honey child go to the wild forest. स्नेहर झियोटी वन्य जंगल को जाए। Number 3, why should she love the mother and grieve the lover? से काहे के माँ को छाड़ी प्रेमिक को दुख देवा उचित। The girl is going to leave her mother who has fed her on delicate dishes. झियोटी तार माँ को छाड़वा जाऊँगी जे ताको खराब खाद्य खाइबा देउछि। She is also going to disappoint her lover who is coming to marry her. ताको विवाह करिवाकु आसुथिबा प्रेमिक को मध्य से निराश करिवाकु जाउछंती। She is determined to avoid marriage because she does not want to be chained in marriage bond. से विवाह बंधन रे बंधा हेबाकु चाहू नथिबारु से विवाह परित्याग करिबाकु संकल्पबद्ध। Thus she should leave the mother and grieve the lover. तेणु एपरि से माता को छाड़ी प्रेमिक को दुख देवा उचित। Number 4, how does the child describe the wild forest? पिलाटी बण जंगल को किपरि वर्णना करिछि। The child described the wild forest beautiful. The wild forest is full of forest sound and sight. पिलाटी wild forest सुंदर भावरे वर्णना करे। वन्य जंगलर शब्द एवं दर्शनीय परिपूर्ण। It is full of flowers like lilies, lotus and चंपा। यह लिली, लोटस एवं चंपा परि फूलरे परिपूर्ण। It is a home to the songbirds, कोयली। यह गीतर पक्षी कोयली को पाई एक घर। The thrilling tone of the कोयल and the forest music can be heard there. कोयलीर रोमांचकर स्वर एवं जंगलर संगीत सेठारे सुनिबाकु मिले। Number 5, what does the expression the world full of pleasure mean? भोगरे परिपूर्ण दुनियार अभिव्यक्तिर अर्थ कौन? The expression the world full of pleasure mean the world is full joy like Brita's song Lola Beach and Sandal Scented Leisure. भरपूर दुनियार अभिव्यक्तिर अर्थ ହେଉଛି ब्रिटल सॉन्ग लुलाबी एवं सैंडल सुगंधित अवकाश परी दुनिया आनंद परिपूर्ण. The mother will trying to pursue her daughters not to leave home and to lead a merry life, tell her that the world is full of pleasure. माँ निज झील को घर बाहर को न आसवा एवं विवाहित जीवन यापन करने को प्रवर्ताइबा चेष्टा करुथिबा बेले ताकू कहिथिले जे दुनिया भोगरे परिपूर्ण. Number 6. What is common about bridal song and cradle song? विवाहित संगीत एवं नानाबाया गीत विषय सामंजस्य कौन? The common things about bridal song and cradle song is both are folk song and are traditional and one gets pleasure from both of them. ब्रिडल सॉन्ग एवं क्रेडल सॉन्ग विषय साधारण कथा हेउछि उभय लोकगीत एवं पारंपरिक एवं गोटिए उभयंक ठारो आनंद पाई थाए. Number 7. How does the poet describe happiness and sorrow? कवि सुख एवं दुख किपरि वर्णना करिसंती. The poet described the harsh truth of real world by explaining that happiness of the bridal song and cradle song will certainly turn into hymns of sorrow and sadness one day. कवि वास्तव दुनिया रे कठोर सत्य को वर्णना करी कवि वर्णना करिसंती जे ब्रिडल सॉन्ग एवं क्रेडल सॉन्ग सुख निश्चित भावरे दिने दुख एवं दुखर गीतरे परिणत हेब. The reality of life is that there is happiness today but tomorrow it will be all gone leaving morning of death. जीवन वास्तवता हेउछि आज सुख अछि किंतु आसंता काली मृत्युर शोक छाड़ी चली जीव. Number 8. How does the poet compare forest notes with bridal song and cradle song? कवि प्रकृतिर संगीत सहित विवाह संगीत और नानाबाया गीत को किपरि तुलना करिसंती. According to the poet, forest notes are music of nature but bridal song and cradle song are music of human being which they sing of her happiness on the occasion of social function। କବିଙ୍କ ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ନୋଟ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ନେଚର ସଙ୍ଗ ଏଣ୍ଡ ବିଡଲ୍ ସଙ୍ଗ ଏଣ୍ଡ କ୍ରିଡଲ୍ ସଙ୍ଗ ହେଉଛି ମଣିଷର ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ଯାହା ସେମାନେ ସାମାଜିକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଅବସରରେ ସୁଖ ପାଇଁ ଗାନ କରିଥାନ୍ତି। But music of nature is eternal and provides real happiness। କିନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରକୃତ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ଅନନ୍ତ ଏବଂ ପ୍ରକୃତ ସୁଖ Number 1. The first 4 lines of the poem pose 4 questions. What does the mother want to tell her daughters? କବିତାର ପ୍ରଥମ 4ଟି ଧାଡ଼ି 4ଟି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉପସ୍ଥାପନ କରିଛି। ମା ନିଜ ଝିଅକୁ କ'ଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି? The first 4 lines of the poem are 4 questions of the mother's daughter who does not want to marry. Instead, she wants to love her mother and grieve her love। କବିତାରେ ପ୍ରଥମ 4ଟି ଧାଡ଼ି ହେଉଛି ମା 4ଟି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ତାଙ୍କ ଝିଅକୁ ବିବାହ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନାହାନ୍ତି, ବରଂ ସେ ନିଜ ମାତାଙ୍କୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ନିଜ ପ୍ରେମିକକୁ ଦୁଃଖ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି। Being attached by the music of nature, she has decided to quit pleasure of worldly life। ପ୍ରକୃତିର ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆକର୍ଷିତ ହୋଇ ସେ ସାଂସାରିକ ଜୀବନର ସମସ୍ତ ଭୋଗ ଛାଡ଼ିବାକୁ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି। The first question mother asks her is, Where are you going, honey child? ମାତା ପଚାରିଥିବା ପ୍ରଥମ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ହେଉଛି, ତୁମେ ସ୍ନେହର ଶିଶୁ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଉଛ? Mother has sensed her daughters are leaving of home, and that is why she asks this। ମାତା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଝିଅର ଘରୁ ବାହାରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଅନୁଭବ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ଏହା ପଚାରିଛନ୍ତି। The second question is, would you cast your jewels all the breeze blowing? ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ହେଉଛି, ତୁମେ ତୁମର ଅଳଙ୍କାର ସବୁ ପବନ ବହିବାରେ ପକାଇବ କି? Mother in the second question want to know her interest in the ornaments which she is wearing for wedding purpose। ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନରେ ମାତା ବିବାହ ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟରେ ପିନ୍ଧିଥିବା ଅଳଙ୍କାର ପ୍ରତି ତାଙ୍କର ଆଗ୍ରହ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଛନ୍ତି। In the third question, mother want to make the emotional। ତୃତୀୟ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନରେ ମା ଝିଅକୁ ଅଶାନ୍ତ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି। Would you leave your mother who has fed you on various delicate dishes dishes. ତେଣୁ ସେ ପଚାରିଛନ୍ତି ତୁମ ମାତାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଅନି ଯିଏ ତୁମକୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସୂକ୍ଷ୍ମ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି. In the last question, mothers want to know girls' interest in the marriage and family life. ଶେଷ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନରେ ମା ଝିଅର ବିବାହ ଏବଂ ପାରିବାରିକ ଜୀବନରେ ଆଗ୍ରହ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି. So puts the question, would you grieve the lover who is reading forth toward you? ତେଣୁ ସେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉଠାନ୍ତି ତୁମକୁ ବିବାହ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଥିବା ପ୍ରେମିକ ତୁମେ ଦୁଃଖ କରିବ କି? The mother asks all these questions only change her daughter's mind for having a married and family life. विवाह एवं पारिवारिक. Does the mother's appeal have any effect on the girls? What does the girls find irresistible? ମା ଆବେଦନ ଝିଅ ଉପରେ କିଛି ପ୍ରଭାବ ପକାଇଛି କି? ଝିଅଟି କ'ଣ ଆଶା ମନେ କରିଛି? No, the mother's appeal does not have any effect on the girl. ନା ମାର ଆବେଦନ ଝିଅ ଉପରେ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରଭାବ ପକାଏ ନାହିଁ. She deeply misery in the happiness of marriage. ସେ ବିବାହର ସୁଖରେ ଦୁଃଖକୁ ଗଭୀର ଭାବରେ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି. The girls being attracted by the music of nature want to give up her home, mothers and even a married life. ପ୍ରାକୃତିକ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆକର୍ଷିତ ହୋଇଥିବା ଝିଅଟି ନିଜ ଘର ମା ଏବଂ ବିବାହ ଜୀବନ ଛାଡ଼ିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି. Nature attraction is irresistible on her part. ପ୍ରାକୃତିକ ଆକର୍ଷଣ ତାଙ୍କ ତରଫରୁ ଅପୂରଣୀୟ. She is mostly attracted by the wild forest, champa trees and their beautiful birds, coily hunter, river, Iceland, sing of flowers like lotus and lilies, and above all the sweet voice of the fairy folk. ସେ ପ୍ରାୟତଃ ବନ୍ୟ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ, ଚମ୍ପା ଗଛ ଏବଂ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ସୁନ୍ଦର ଗୁଣ, କୋଇଲି, ହଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ନଦୀ, ଦ୍ୱୀପପୁଞ୍ଜ, ଲତା ଏବଂ ଲିଲି ପରି ଫୁଲର ଚମକ ଏବଂ ମେହେନ୍ଦିର ସମସ୍ତ ମଧୁର ସ୍ୱର ଉପରେ ଆକର୍ଷିତ ହୁଅନ୍ତି. According to the daughter's wisdom, all the worldly pleasures are transitory. ଝିଅର ଜ୍ଞାନ ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ସମସ୍ତ ସାଂସାରିକ ଭୋଗ କ୍ଷଣସ୍ଥାୟୀ. The mother did not success in the pursuing the daughters towards the worldly pleasure. ଏପରି ମା ଝିଅକୁ ସାଂସାରିକ ଭୋଗକୁ ମନାଇବାରେ ସଫଳ ହେଲା ନାହିଁ. Number 3. How are worldly pleasure compare with the pleasure of the fairyland? ଜାଗତିକ ଆନନ୍ଦକୁ ପରିରାଜ୍ୟର ଆନନ୍ଦ ସହିତ କିପରି ତୁଳନା କରାଯାଇଛି? The poet Sarojini Naidu has made a beautiful and interesting comparison between the worldly pleasure and the pleasure of the fairy land of nature in her poem. କବି ସରୋଜିନୀ ନାଇଡୁ ତାଙ୍କ କବିତାରେ सांसारिक भोग एवं परिभूमि किंवा प्राकृतिक भोग माध्यम एक सुंदर एवं आकर्षणीय तुलना करिसेंती। The world expression in the poem like Beatles, Robs, Beatles song, Creators song, Beatles cakes and candles, screened leisure are the symbol of worldly pleasure which are transitory, short life and have pace of sorrow। ତାଙ୍କ କବିତାରେ ଶବ୍ଦ ଏବଂ ଅଭିବ୍ୟକ୍ତି, ବିଟଲ୍ ପୋଷାକ, ବିଟଲ୍ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ, କ୍ରୋଡଲ୍ ଗୀତ, ବ୍ରାଇଡଲ୍ କେକ୍ ଏବଂ ସ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡାଲ୍ ସୁଗନ୍ଧିତ ଆକାଶ ସାଂସାରିକ ଅବକାର ସାଂସାରିକ ଭୋଗର ପ୍ରତୀକ ଯାହାକି କ୍ଷଣସ୍ଥାୟୀ, ସ୍ୱଳ୍ପ ସମୟ ଏବଂ ଦୁଃଖର ଗତି। But this does not happen in case of nature pleasure। किंतु प्राकृतिक भोग क्षेत्र यह हुए नहीं। म्यूजिक ऑफ नेचर ऑफ स्वीटर देन ब्रीडल सॉन्ग एंड क्रिएटर सॉन्ग। प्राकृतिक संगीत